In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Leonardo AI account. We'll walk through the entire sign-in process from the very beginning. So even if you're brand new or haven't logged in for a while, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any other modern browser you like using. In the address bar at the top of the screen, type in leonardo.ae and press enter. This will take you to the official Leonardo AI website. Give the page a moment to load fully before you continue, so that all the buttons and menus are visible and clickable. Once you're on the Leonardo AI homepage, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you should see a button labeled Login. Click on that. When you do, Leonardo AI will open a new page that looks similar to an account dashboard or sign-in hub. On this new page, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar or menu. Scroll your eyes down to the bottom of that toolbar and find the option that says Sign In. Go ahead and click on Sign In. The page will refresh or reload, and you'll now see a set of sign-in options appear in the main area. Leonardo AI lets you log in using several different providers. Common options you'll see here include Canva, Apple, Google, Microsoft, and email. It's important to choose the same method you originally used when you created your Leonardo AI account. For example, if you signed up using your Google account, you should now click on the Google option. If you created your account with an email and password, choose the email option instead. After you pick your sign-in method, you may be asked to enter your login details. This could be your email address and password, or you might be directed to a familiar sign-in screen from Google, Apple, Microsoft, or Canva. Carefully type in your information, making sure there are no typos. If your browser has saved your login details and you're already signed in with that provider, the process might be automatic and you might not need to re-enter anything. Once you've completed this step, Leonardo AI will authenticate your information. If everything is correct, you'll be logged into your Leonardo AI account and taken to your dashboard, where you can start creating and exploring, and that's it. You've successfully logged into your Leonardo AI account.